One of the key features of Seasonax is you can use it to screen for sector investing. Now, sector investing is a method of investing that involves identifying specific economic sectors and subsectors that are expected to outperform in a particular market environment. So, for instance, let's take a look at the information technology sector. That tends to do best when an economy is expanding, and a defensive sector like the consumer staples sector tends to do well when an economy is contracting. So you can look at these US sectors, and depending on where we are in the market cycle, you can use it to search for relevant companies that are expected to do well in changing market conditions. So it's a key feature of the Seasonax screener, particularly looking at different sectors within the US economy to help you choose the most appropriate stocks for the most relevant market dynamic.